Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Percent carbon questions get easy when you compare carbon mass to total mass, then match the value to the compound near 49%. To find percent carbon, take the total mass coming from carbon atoms, divide by the compound's full molar mass, then multiply by 100 because percent means part over whole. For propanoic acid, C3H6O2, the carbon mass is 3 times 12, giving 36, and the total molar mass is 36 plus 6 plus 32, which equals 74. Now compute the fraction. 36 over 74 times 100 is about 49%, so that compound fits the clue, and option A wins. Well done! Option A! Scan now. Don't rush signs or guesses. Trust the given percent and check each step before choosing.